Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel Chemistry Doctor. If you are new, please subscribe our channel Chemistry Doctor. Today we are going to discuss that how we can convert the benzene into benzoic acid. The answer simply relies in that we can convert the benzoic acid benzene into benzoic acid. First of all, in first step, basically it is a two-step reaction. In first step, Friedel-Crafts Acylation will take place. We take benzene and react with uh, carbonyl chloride in the presence of Lewis acid, so that it is converted into benzoyl and converted into the benzoyl chloride. This is the first step. Now we can convert this compound into benzoic acid by simply oxidation. We can use different oxidizing agent like KMnO₄ or water, etc., and it is converted into the benzoic acid in the presence of an oxidizing agent. So here is the answer of this, that we convert the benzene into the benzoic acid. Thank you very much for watching our YouTube channel.